Hello, today I wanted to show you a video about my Apple IIgs. It's a ROM 03 Apple IIgs, and as you can see, the cover is off because I wanted to kind of show you all the stuff that's inside of it. So first of all, you'll see that there's no power supply, or at least the original one has been removed. This is a Pico PSU that runs off a power brick, which I'll show you in a bit. In slot number 1, we have the A2pico card running the A2Retronet firmware, so that makes that card operate as a smart port card. But that card has multiple firmwares on it, including being able to emulate a CPM card, a super serial card, and a few other things. But right now, that's what I have it set up, and it has this USB cable going out to the back port, so you can plug in a USB for mounting disk images. Slot 2, we have the Uthernet 2 card, which is a network Ethernet card for the Apple IIs. And I have my Ethernet cord coming out. I have to get a smaller, thinner Ethernet cord to be able to fit out one of these holes. Slot 3, we have the A2FPGA card, which provides HDMI output for the Apple II series. It has an HDMI cable coming out to a back port, which then the HDMI cable connects to the computer. Then that A2FPGA card also emulates a Mockingbird card in slot 4. So slot 4 is empty because it's emulating a Mockingbird card. And then the final card in slot 1 is the XDrive card, which is another smart port card. It can act like a booty card or just a standard smart port card. It has kind of two modes, and it has an SD card just like the A2pico and a USB port to be able to plug into the back. So let's move on to the back. We have the USB port for the XDrive, a USB port for the A2pico, the HDMI coming out of the A2FPGA card. Over here we have the upgraded power button, and then the barrel jack connector for a standard power brick to be able to power it instead of the original power supply. And then finally we have the FujiNet card, which plugs into the external smart port disk port. It is a floppy disk emulator for one thing, but it also has networking capabilities. It has Wi-Fi built in. You can copy stuff to it over the network. You can download and launch files directly from the internet onto your Apple II. And it also acts as a modem for terminal programs, and also emulates a CPM, so you can run CPM through it without having an actual CPM card. So that's all the cool stuff that it does. So let's boot it up and see what it looks like, especially with the HDMI output. All right, we'll just boot up GSOS. So let's eject that. Go back up to the SD card. Let's go to hard disks. Apple II hard disks. Let's boot up the Uthernet image. All this blinking lights. my GS does not have a accelerator like a transwarp or, you know, squeeze or anything like that. Those are quite expensive and hard to get, but maybe one day. But so we're going at the stock speed. Oh, I forgot one card. I have the RAM 2GS 8 MB memory upgrade in that memory upgrade slot. I forgot to mention that earlier. Okay. Let's see if we can connect to the network with our Uthernet card. Well, there we go, we're connected. We'd have to go and open up a program and try to connect to an FTP server or a web server or something like that. But it does work. I've done it. So that's enough for now. Thank you so much for watching.